Hey guys, Tony here. Welcome back. As you know, I'm starting to provide some coverage and my thoughts on the financials of various EV companies. And where possible, I'm going to test drive and see these vehicles in person because that gives me a more rounded picture about the company and their products. Last week here in Austin, Texas, I went and visited the Rivian Service Center and got to drive both the R1T and the R1S. So in this video, I'm just going to share some of my experience with you. Feel free to ask questions down in the video comments. It was a nice surprise to find out that Rivian actually had a service center in my city, and it was not even that far away from where I live. So I was able to schedule driving both the R1T and the R1S. People use this facility to either pick up their vehicles when they have a new delivery or to drop off vehicles for service. There was some merch there on the back wall, and I did pick up a Rivian hat if you caught it at the beginning of this video. Good timing while I was there, some new Rivian vehicles being delivered to the local service center for some new Austin customers. The first vehicle that I drove was a red R1T, and here they are, the headlights. Some people love them, some people hate them, but they are the distinctive look of a Rivian. The interior on this R1T is the Ocean Coast plus dark ash wood. That's a $2,000 upgrade on the R1T. Rivians have two screens for driver controls. What we are looking at here is the one in the center of the console. Here's a look at the back seat, another look at that Ocean Coast interior, and there are charging stations for everybody in the back. There is plenty of storage in the front. It even opens up into a deeper storage area, complete with a drain in the bottom left-hand side for those that want to use it as a drink cooler. The satchel contains your charging cable. And here is a quick look at the gear tunnel unique to the Rivian, and these doors that open up can also be used as steps to access cargo on the roof. Lots of space in the truck bed. With the gate open, you can easily get a 4x8 sheet of plywood in here. Here we have a quick look at the built-in air compressor, great for those that enjoy biking or taking inflatables to the lake. Next up, I got to drive this very nice looking silver Rivian R1S. It's a 7-seater SUV. The dash and the driver setup is exactly the same as the R1T, so I didn't take a lot of photos or video of that. I tried out all the rows of seating to make sure that there was plenty of legroom, and there is in each one of them, and I really like the glass roof on this vehicle. All of the seat rows fold down, and if you need storage space for your cargo, there is plenty of it in the R1S. Here we have some extra buttons to fold the seats, an electric outlet, and that built-in air compressor. I also like this feature of the sliding hooks. You can lock down and bungee your cargo in the back of the SUV. I did not have a cameraman to film me driving, but these vehicles ride smooth. They are very powerful, and it is no wonder that they are a hit with Rivian customers. If you own a Rivian, if you're an investor in the company, or if you just have questions, drop me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Come back tomorrow and check out my next video. I'll be sharing my thoughts after test driving the Lucid Air Grand Touring sedan.